Welcome to another Jetsip tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you how to complete your identity verification with Australia Post's Digital ID. Let's get started. You can select any two of the identity documents. We'll use Australian driver licence and passport. Complete the details for each of your documents. We're using demo information here today. You will need to use your real information to complete this process. Now for the passport. Now we can review the detail and make any changes if necessary. When you're ready to proceed, confirm you are the individual named in the documents and submit the form. Once your identity is verified, you'll be asked to allow us to receive details of your name and date of birth. Decide if you want the optional offer from Australia Post and continue to complete the identity verification process. The system will update, and you'll see the notification on screen that you are successfully identified. Now you'll be able to add and manage an organization. Thank you for watching, and thank you for using Jetsip. Keep an eye out for links to other tutorials at the end of this video. Have a great day.